Hello, dear students. Welcome to online classes. Our one chapter and one poem are completed. Now let's read the lesson 2, the tsunami. And as you know about the word the tsunami, it is the wave of water that destroy many people's lives and their homes before few years. So let's start. Look at the map of Andaman and Nicobar Island given here. Here are the map of Andaman and Nicobar Island. Is the first mention is Andaman and then the Nicobar. The part of the Andaman are separated in five parts that important, and the Nicobar also divided in some parts. So here are a task for you, which is you have to complete after the reading the lesson. Now read the sentence below. Rewrite the incorrect ones after correcting the mistakes. Means you have to write it after the recorrecting him. That find out the mistakes. Kathal is an island. It is yes or not. You have to write after the reading the lesson. It is a part of the Andaman group of islands. Nancowry is an island in the Nicobar group. Fourth number. Kathal and the Nancowry are more than 100 miles apart, and you can use the hint that given in the map. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands are the west of India, means you have measure according to directions. Number 6. The Nicobar Island are the are to the north of the Andaman Island, means in which side the Andaman and Nicobar are settled, you can use the map. So, as our topic, the tsunami, and before the read the lessons, you want to know that what is tsunami. A tsunami is a very large and powerful wave caused by the earthquakes under the sea. Means tsunami is a very large and powerful wave of water which caused by the earthquake. Means cause of the tsunami is earthquake which under the water. And when on 26 December 2004, Thailand and part of India such as the Andaman and Nicobar Islands, means he most probably con- destroyed the part of Thailand and many part of India as Andaman and Nicobar Island and the Tamil Nadu coast as the Andaman and Nicobar Island and the Tamil Nadu coast. Here are some stories of courage and survival. So, in this chapter, there are mentioned some stories of courage and survival who survived under the tsunami. Here is a question for you. Did animals sense that a tsunami was coming? Some stories suggest that they did. Means the writer want to say, can the animals caused and sense the tsunami before was coming? Yes, writer want to say that is correct, and you can also understand it by the some stories. The first stories was mentioned by the writer. These stories are all from the Andaman and Nicobar archipelagos. Archipelagos means a group of islands. Hygienius was the manager of cooperative society in Kathal. Means Hygienius a name of person. Ignatius was the manager of the cooperative society. And where is the cooperative society? In Kathal. His wife woke up at the 6 a.m. because she felt an earthquake. When his wife woke up at 6 a.m. because she felt an earthquake, Ignatius carefully took his television set off his table and put it down on the ground so that it would not fail and break. So first what did Ignatius do? He put down his television because he doesn't want that he break from the earthquake. Then the family rushed out of the house. Then suddenly the family rushed out from the house to be safe. When the tremors stopped, tremors means you can catch it from the vibrations. When the tremors stopped, they saw the sea rising in the chaos and confusion. They see. What they see? The sea rising. Rising means the level of water is increasing in the chaos and confusion. Chaos means complete disaster, and confusion means a type of disaster, and it is rising. Two of his children caught hold of the hands by their mother's father and father's mother's brother, means their children caught out by their relatives and rushed in the opposite directions, means they're rushing from in the opposite directions. Then what happened? He never saw them again, means they are destroyed by the tsunami and they died. His wife was also swept away. Only the three other children who came with him were saved. Means only the three children of the family were saved and other was swept away by the tsunami. So the second incident mentioned here, Sanjeev was a policeman serving in the Kathal Island of the Nicobar group of islands. He somehow managed to save himself, his wife, and his baby daughter from the waves. Means Sanjeev was a policeman and somehow he saved from the tsunami. And which person were saved? Himself, his wife, and his baby daughter from the wave. But then he heard cries of help from the wife of John. And who is John? John, the cookman from a guest house. But then he heard the cries of help from his wife of John, the guest house cook. Sanjeev jumped into the water to rescue her, to rescue John's wife, but they were both swept away. But the both are swept away means John's wife and the Sanjeev was the policeman, both are swept away. The third incident which mentioned here, 13-year-old Meghna was swept away along with her parents and 77 other peoples. The 13-year-old Meghna was also swept away with the 77 other peoples and his parents. She spent 2 days floating in the sea. Means today, continue 2 days he floating in the sea, holding on a wooden door. 11 times he saw relief helicopter overhead. Means the rescue team he saw 11 times, but they don't see her. She was brought out to the shore of a wave and was found walking on the seashore in a dish. But the rescue team doesn't see the Meghna and others. So after the few days, she was floating out by the sea waves or the tsunami. Ams Javed was a 10-year-old. She was a student of Carmel Convent in the Port Blair, where her father had a petrol pump. Means Ams Javed was 10-year-old boy and a student where he is reading Carmel Convent, the school in Port Blair, and her father had a petrol pump. Her mother, Raila's home was in Noncomri Island. The family had gone there to celebrate Christmas. So all family members went there to celebrate Christmas. Then what happened after the incident of tsunami? Let's read in part 2. Thank you.